This is Brandon Campbell coming to you live with another video. And if this is your first time stopping by, what I ask you to do is go through the channel, check out the videos as I give useful and helpful information on driving traffic, how to get more sales, how to increase brand awareness. And with that said, we're going to jump right in. 4 alternatives to social media marketing. Number 1 would be your company's website. If you see me looking to the side, it's because I took a great deal of notes to provide you with this information so that it can be helpful to you. Your company's website is the real estate that you own. You dictate what appears on your website, and you may want your main goal should be to drive traffic to your website. With a strong, well-developed SEO strategy and implementation, you could drive more traffic, get more sales, increase brand awareness through your company's website. On your website, you should have stuff like Ask an Expert. If you're a consultant, asking a consultant, and also reply back to these responses within 24 hours. Why? Because responding back, it helps to grow the know, like, and trust factor. Matter of fact, you shouldn't just follow up. If you can, if it's possible for you, follow up with a phone call. Why? Because following up with phone calls is a huge place where a lot of salesmen, consultants, marketers don't do, and that's where the money's at. And you can also, with your well-developed content strategy, if you can, try and get your site translated into different languages, because you never know, especially when you're advertising on the World Wide Web, who from another country may like your site, might like your product or service, but can't understand it. So you might want to look into getting your site translated into different languages while you're trying to grow your business. Number 2, digital advertising, pay-per-click ads, Google AdWords. And why you want to do this, even if you're a beginner in the digital smart marketing space, is because through pay-per-click, it's more effective, less expensive than trying to run Facebook ads or trying to advertise on Instagram or Twitter ads or LinkedIn ads, because it's easier to reach more people, drive brand awareness. Y'all stick with me here. It's a more effective avenue to reach potential customers. With a creative PPC ad and a great targeted ad, you can reach your potential targeted audience in a less expensive way than you can using Facebook ads. Y'all have to forgive me this morning. I'm just so excited that I'm skipping over stuff. Now, email marketing. Email marketing always generally drives more sales than anything. I know a lot of people don't like to use email, and if you don't know how to write an email, hey, you can find someone to write an email for you. A well-written email will help drive conversion 46% of the time. And I know a lot of people I don't know about that email marketing. Well, with a well-written email, you can drive more traffic to your site, more conversion, and more sales which is what you want if you're new to the business, or if you've been in business for a while and you're struggling with sales. You might want to take a look into some of these things. And not only that, along with your content marketing strategy, you should also look into other digital advertising, such as, you know, advertising on iHeart, Pandora. These are great avenues for you to advertise on. They're very segmented with people that you never know where all of your clients or all of your market are. You can get an idea, but these three that I just mentioned will help you to reach your audience. And once again, forgive me this morning. And last but not least, thought leadership. And through this, the consistent production of original, deliverable, highly quality content can encourage new and existing business to interact with your product or your service. And depending on what industry you're in or what it is that you do, or product or service you offer, try a couple of days a week, to, answer questions, link up with other YouTubers. You can link up with other people in the industry, or, through other means, and just answer questions and say, hey, you can reach me at such and such site, which, when we went through number one, a well optimized content strategy should include this in it. You can just reach me at such and such, which will drive people to see who you are and want to know more about you. And through that, you can grow your like and trust factor, and which will help you increase your reach and help you to grow your audience. And with that being said, if you like the content, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching my videos. Click the link below to subscribe, as I will be dropping more content in the next coming days. And have a great day.